Hi everyone, welcome to Rollout Savings. I'm Danielle and I am here with your Saturday must-do deals. These are 5 off 25 deals for this Saturday, May 10th. And we have a deal as low as $2.75, so that's in here for you. But up first, as always, we have our cheat sheet out for you. If you missed it earlier this week, I will have it linked below in the description box because you can print it out for free, which is great when you're going shopping in store if you need to find a substitution quick and on the fly. And it will show you the price of the item, how much the coupon is, and it will also tell you the price that you're going to pay out of pocket and the percentage saved. So that way you can keep track of your out-of-pocket cost and keep it as low as possible. So let's hop into our deals. I have them in a little bit different order this week. So up first is grocery for $16.05. You're going to get your DiGiorno, your Pepsi, your Mountain Dew, that's the 2-liter, the Munchies, 2 Captain Crunch, the Shamrock Milk, the Fisher Boy Shrimp, and 2 Quaker Chewy Yogurt or any of the Chewy bars that attach to the coupon. You'll get all that for $16.05. Up next for $13.20, 2 Mountain Dew, the Mountain Dew 18-pack, 4 of the Kellogg's cereal that's on sale, the Fisher Boy Fish Sticks, and 2 of the Shea Moisture face masks, and that would be $13.20. Next, we have some cat deals for $15.20. You'll get the Friskies Gravy Swirls cat food, the Temptations cat treats, and also one of the Temptations is the Lickables, and then you're going to get 5 of the Sheba Perfect Portions. Then for $13.50, you're going to get 2 different size bags of the Friskies Gravy Stirs and 5 of the Sheba cat portions, Perfect Portions cat food. And that will be $13.50. Now we're going to hop into baby deals. This is going to activate that P&G coupon if you have it. So you're going to get the box of Pampers, and it will be $17.95 after your coupons. And this will earn you back the 8 off 801 or up to the 8 off 801 for your next purchase. This deal is also going to activate the P&G. You're going to get your Easy Ups, your Pampers diapers, and the box of Pampers wipes. That will be $20.75 that you pay out of pocket, and it will activate the P&G. When you spend X amount, you get back X amount that is on your future purchase up to the 8 off 801 limit. And just to explain what that means is if you have the earn back the 3 off 301, the 5 off 15, the 5 off 20, this will earn you up to that $8 back. This one is also P&G for $20. You're going to get your Pampers diapers, 2 of the Pampers wipes, they're on sale, the Icy Hot and the Advanced Warmer, and you will earn back your 5 off 501. So this is up to that spend 20, earn the 5 off 501. And now we're going to head into personal care, and this is a P&G deal also for $10. You're going to get your Skin-Cement razor, 2 of the Secret Outlast, the Scope mouthwash, the Oral-B 6-count toothbrushes, and a Crest 3D White. That's the $3 size, and pay $10. Get back that up to that 5 off 501. Another P&G deal here for you for $13. You're going to get the Old Spice body wash and deodorant, 2 of the Crest Deep Stain Remover Brilliance toothpastes, and you're also going to get 2 of the Kids Crest toothpaste as well. And that will earn you back up to the 8 off 801 for $9.60. This is not a P&G deal. You're going to get 2 of the Dove shampoo, the Dove body wash, Carefree pads, and an Airwick warmer. On that Dove, it is the Argan shampoo and conditioner for $9.60 total for that deal. This one is $11.35. You're going to get your Colgate toothbrush, toothpaste, Irish Springs, and soft soap body wash, plus the pack of Band-Aids for $3.50, and that will be $11.35. As always, scan everything to make sure it's attaching to your coupons. Sometimes the packaging or the UPC has changed, so make sure you are scanning. $11.35 on this P&G deal. You're going to get 2 of the Crest Brilliance toothpaste, the Oral-B floss picks, the 6-pack of Oral-B toothbrushes, which is not shown here. I apologize for that. You're going to get your $1 Crest toothpaste and the Scope mouthwash for $11.35, earning back that 8 off 801. For $19, P&G deal, 2 Always Thin pads, 2 of the Always excuse me, flex foam pads, and 2 of the tampons. That will be $19 out of pocket, and you will earn back the 8 off 801. This next deal is $10.30. You're going to get 2 Tone Body Wash, a Nivea Body Wash, Chic Extreme 5 razors, the Arm & Hammer liquid, and you're also going to get a Suave Men deodorant. The Arm & Hammer liquid is the $4 one. That will be $10.30 out of pocket. For this P&G deal, you're going to pay $25.25 out of pocket. You're going to get your Venus and your Gillette razors that you see there, the Old Spice Whole Body and the Secret Whole Body. You are going to pay $20.25, and you will earn back that 10 off 1001. This is P&G. This is also P&G. We're going into household. For $12.75, you're going to get your Tide, your Downy Beads, your Bounce, your Advanced Warmer, and a Palmolive. Pay $12.75. You are going to get back that 3 off 301 P&G. This deal here is $11.30. You're going to get your Febreze car clip, your Arm & Hammer liquid, that's the $5, Snuggle liquid, Mr. Clean liquid, a magic eraser, and some Clorox bleach, and that will be $11.30 out of pocket. This next deal is $12.20. You're going to buy that large jug of Tide and get the Tide pods free, but you're also going to grab that Icy Hot. You're going to pay $12.20. This is not a P&G because we have a store coupon. They will not stack. For $9.83, you're going to get your Arm & Hammer, a Mike & Ike, some Snuggle sheets, the Arm & Hammer beads, and the Children's Allegra for $9.83. For $17.20, you can get some Bounty paper towels, 2 of the Downy Beads, and the Arm & Hammer packs. That will be $17.20. This next deal, you're going to get your Gain Flings, your Finish tabs. This is the $9 size if you can find them, and the Icy Hot as well. That will be $12.25 out of pocket. This deal coming up here is for $11.75. You're going to get your Gain Tango beads, the Gain Beads, Gain Flings, 2 of the Elvive shampoo and conditioner, the Airwick, and the Arthritis Hot for $11.75. For $17.10, you're going to get your Febreze car clip, your Angel Soft, your Bounty, your Tide, and your Dawn Easy Squeeze, and that will be $17.10. You will earn back that 5 off 501 up to the $20 mark. That's P&G. For $26.55, you're going to get your Dawn and Gain dish liquids, the Mr. Clean liquid, the Tide Pods, the Downy Beads, the Olay moisturizer, and some Mr. Clean erasers, and that will be $26.55 out of pocket. You will earn back that 10 off 1001. This deal here is $2.75. You're going to get your Vitafusion, your Icy Hot, your Febreze fabric, the Advanced Warmer, CoverGirl foundation, CoverGirl brow pencils, and the Gain Tango beads. Again, that's $2.75 out of pocket. This deal here is $8.40. You're going to get your Tide Pods, the BioFreeze, the Arthritis Hot, and the Advanced Warmer. That will be $8.40, and that is our last deal. I hope you liked these deals. Please let me know in the comments if you liked these deals. Be sure to give me a thumbs up. It's a free way to help our channel when you like and comment, especially if you share. Make sure you're subscribed so that you get notified when we put out new content. Follow us on Facebook, Telegram, and rolloutsavings.com. Thank you so much for being here with me. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back soon with the next big deal. Bye, guys.